Thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Bodo, and this is Bodo Thai. So, you've been saving up your money for a vacation of a lifetime, and you decided to go to Thailand for some reason. Because, there's a lot of things going on in Thailand that you heard about. Yeah, right? You know what I mean. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, like shopping, food, sightseeing, and such. Right? So anyway, today I have a list here that I want to talk to you about because I want you to go and have fun in Thailand, be safe, and come home with your wife and kids, or to your wife and kids, or come home to your empty room and a dog. So whatever your lifestyle is, I want you to be able to come home safe and sound. I have a list here. It's like such a long list. I'm just gonna narrow it down to about maybe, 1,000. I don't know, probably top 10, okay? Because I know I'm not that smart. I can't remember them all. I probably do all of them. Anyway, how not to die in Thailand, or how not to get killed in Thailand. Well, let's go. Number 1, don't touch people's head. Yeah. Weird. What we're just going around touching everyone's head. Do you do that? No, you don't. So just don't go to Thailand, touch people's head. It's a culture thing. People in Thailand consider the head, part of the head, the top of the head to be sacred. Okay, so by someone to touch it, slap it, or whack it, or mess it all up or whatever, is really a sign of disrespectful to that person. Or maybe they just don't want you to mess up that dude, right? I don't want you to come around and mess up my dude, right? So you don't come around and touch my head, okay? I don't like it. I'm sure you don't either. Even here in the States, we don't go around touching people's head, right? So yeah, just don't do it, okay? That might actually get you killed in Thailand, going around touching strangers' head. So don't do it. Now, number 2, don't point with your feet. Yeah, we tend to do that, It's like, hey, how much is that? And point with your feet. Hey, can you get that down here? And point with your feet. Hey, can you get that door? And point with your feet, right? Can you get that top shelf liquor up there? Point with your feet. Don't do it. In Thailand, they hate it. Okay, people hate when a tourist come to their country and point with their feet. They consider it's like the lowest part of the body, and pointing with the feet is disrespectful. So, yeah, if you want to survive your vacation, have a good time, just keep your feet for walking. Don't put on a table, or when you're in a taxi or whatever, don't put your feet up on a dashboard. Okay, or don't hang your feet out a window or whatever that you guys want to do. You guys like to do that stuff, right? Getting up there, get in the car and hang your feet out a window or put it on the dashboard. No, don't do it in Thailand. You can do it at home. You can do it anywhere else, but don't do it in Thailand. All right. Okay. Number 3. What is on my list? I have a long list here of 1,000 things not to do in Thailand. I'm just going to go to the third one. Don't touch the monks. Yeah, just don't do it. You see the monks, the one is orange or yellow robes and they're all like calm and collected and all that stuff, and just let them be. Okay, they just want to do their own thing. Maybe they're probably just walking around or think of something or whatever, right? Just look from afar. You can say hello by give them a wire or something. But just don't go around and touch them. They're not gonna fight you. They're not gonna do anything to you. But the local might. Or the locals might come out and start, with the torches and pitchforks or something. So yeah, don't go around and touch them. Okay. All right. Number 4, you might be the world-class climber. Just don't go around and climb on a Buddha statue like idiots. Okay. Most of the a statue is an artifact. It's been around for hundreds and thousands of years. So just kind of just let it be, you know, let them be. You can look from afar, take some photos or whatever. Just don't go around and climb them. They're not fun, you know, and especially when it's not fun, when you go to jail or, I don't know, get beaten by the locals or something, because I can't help you. So, okay. And some of them is really tall. It's like 50, 100 feet tall. So that's like way up there, right? Maybe even taller. I don't know. Yeah, it might be taller, but just don't climb them, okay? Just stay on the ground like normal people do. Okay. So, what number am I? I don't know. I would call the number next. Next number. Don't give out your passport as deposit for any kind of activities. You want to rent some sort of scooters, or you want to rent a jet ski, or rent whatever, a car, I don't know, a moped, bicycles, or skateboard, I don't know what you want to rent, right? So whatever it is, don't just hand out your passport as deposit. If they say, you know, if you want to rent a jet ski, you have to leave me your passport. Don't do it. Your passport is your lifeline. If you don't have that, you're screwed. Because you can't just get a passport right away. You know, you have to go to an embassy. You have to go to the cops. You have to go all that bull crap. So at the end of the day, you might have to wait like a month or something. So don't give out your passport like candies. Don't go around waving your passport around like an idiot, because people will steal that, and they'll sell that, you know, for whoever that wants to go wherever. They will use your passport, or actually they will use it trafficking drugs. Yeah. That comes in the next one. Next number, don't get involved in trafficking drugs. You're probably all drunk at the bar. You came across some nice guy, some nice friends that hang out with you, and they go, hey, you know what? Do you want to make extra cash? All you have to do is strap this bag of detergent around your thighs and just walk across the border, and my friend will be waiting for you over there. Don't do it. You know where it is. You're not stupid. So, I know you're not stupid, so don't act like one. Alright? If whatever it is, if you're required to swallow things, shoving things, strapping things on your body, on your thighs, on your armpit, or whatever it is, don't do it. When people say, whatever happened in Vegas, stay in Vegas, right? Well, it's almost the same thing, but whatever happened in Thailand, you might just stay in Thailand forever. Either in jail or 6 feet under. So, yeah, but if something happened to you, okay, somehow you came across some kind of situation and you end up in jail, send me a comment. You can send me a private message, and I'll send you this link to this video so you can rewatch it and don't do it again. I can't help you, man. Next. Man, there's like 1,000 things not to do. Don't talk negatively about the King of Thailand. Simple as that. Thai people, they love their king. They become Thailand today because of the King of Thailand. Don't go around bad-mouthing, or don't go around talking negative about the king. Just that. I'm going to keep this one short because I don't know how to extrapolate from that, but yeah, keep it short and simple so you remember. Number next, don't go around and disrespect the Thais or the country or the culture. You know, you might think it's weird. You might think that, oh, they listen to weird music, they're speaking weird, they're using weird dialects, they're using weird words. You know, deep down you want to make fun of them for some reason. Well, you know, don't do it. You know, keep to yourself. People really love their country. People really love their culture, and they love their music. They love their, you know, upbringings and the environment and the society. So don't go around disrespect them, even though they do something that is totally different from where you're from. They might not do the same thing as you do, but it doesn't mean what they're doing is wrong. It might be the right thing for them, you know, the way they laugh, the way they're doing silly things or whatever. Just let them be, go along with it, and just move along, okay? Don't go and point at them and say, oh my God, look at what you're doing. Look at this guy. Look at that guy. Look at this. You're going to end up getting killed. The Thais, they're quite forgiving. They don't want to have a fight with you. They want you to have a good time. Everyone in Thailand, when they see tourists come to the country, they are very happy to help you. But they just don't want to be made fun of. Okay? So, yeah, don't point. Don't laugh. You know, don't hoot and holler and call them out from across the street and, you know, laughing at them or whatever, you know. And you might get killed unless you have a death wish. And you just go ahead and ignore all the what not to do in Thailand that I just listed. You can do all of them. All right. Next. Yeah, don't get in a fight. Simple as that. You're going out there. You're having fun. First drink is, you know, all fun and game, all fun. Second drink, third drink, fourth and fifth drinks, you start to feel a little buzzy. And sixth drinks and seventh drink, you feel like a little, you know, rowdy, right? You're having a good time. And you're gonna come to a certain point while you're consuming your beverage. You're gonna think that you're invincible. Your animal instinct is coming out and you want to fight. Yeah, don't do that. If you start to feel that way, just go back to the hotel and sleep it off. Don't fight with people, man. You might get in a fight with one person, but don't forget there's a whole town there. They will always gonna stick to their own. And even though they're nice people, they help you out, they were forgiving and all that, you know. So but they don't like to be bullied. The same as here. You go to a bar, you might fight with one person, you might fight with a group, and that's that. Call it a night. Go home and sleep it off or go to jail for a night. But not in Thailand. You might get banned from the country. You might go to jail for 6 months to a year or whatever. You might have to fight not just one person. You might have to fight the whole town, you know, because their community will always stick together. And, you know, it's not fun. Okay? So, don't get in a fight. Don't drink too much. And just stay cool. I don't know. There's tons of them. But I guess I'll stop it for now. It's just a friendly reminder from your boy Bodo. I want you to go there, have the best time of your life. You've been saving this money up. You decide to just quit your job, go to Thailand, and find yourself. And find whatever in search of whatever you're looking for. Whatever you do, remind yourself all these things I just told you. Okay? Very simple. You know, most of this stuff is just common sense anyway. Stay cool, have fun. If you have any question, just write me in a comment. I will try to answer all the comments I can. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this kind of content, give me a like and subscribe. I will put the link of other videos at the end of this video so you can like go back and watch all of them or whatnot. And it's pretty cool stuff. So, well, my name is Bodo and I will see you next time. Peace.